right, we are back, and I'm just gonna change my direction here for you guys so you can have a better perspective. And we're kind of finishing this cottage up. Let's see. Let's move it this way. All right, here we go. Oop. So my cottage is built over here. My cottage is built. Sorry, 1 second. All right. So I rolled out a little mini slab right here, and this is for my base. I want to make a little bit of a platform for this cottage. So I've got my clay here that I rolled out on the slab roller, and I don't know what shape yet, but I'm going to get to that soon. Right now, I'm just going to put my texture in. So I've decided that I want kind of a cobblestone, so I'm going to use this mat right here. I'm laying it on top, and I'm going to roll really strong. My 2 slabs that will be my roof are hanging out, and they're drying out. Okay. So I'm pushing really strong on this. Lift it up carefully to make sure you got what you want. This side over here is missing some texture, so I'm going to roll that in. There we go. That looks pretty good. Release it from the board. And normally I think that I would score the bottom of the house and lay it on this slab so that I know where to score. But instead, because this is very fragile, so I'm going to measure. This is to here. Right there. My side wall is to here. I think ish, right? Ish. I'm going to very carefully pick this up. I mean, I guess you could have done this to begin with. It would have made a better measuring system. And drawn a little bit of a line so that I know where to score. So I'm scoring my platform here. Put a little water on it. And then I'm going to attach my house, and then I'm going to build my roof. I've just kind of been waiting for my roof to dry out so that I can build it. It's a little soft right now. Okay, so this, I'm just making sure my walls are straight. My roof's going to come on pretty soon here, so I want to make sure my walls are really straight and that this is pushed down onto this base. I'm going to try and seal it here with the rubber tip tool. Alright, and I'm going to try and take these little score lines off that I accidentally put in. I'm just using my rubber tip tool and smoothing carefully. I am going to cut some of this off. I'm not going to use the whole thing. So, alright, I'm good to go. My roof is next, and we're almost done with this cottage. just using this in a circular motion and it's taking those score lines off really nicely, so that's good. Alright, I'll clean up a little bit more in a little bit. Great. Alright, now for my roof. I've got these little sort of shingle scales, so I want to make sure I personally want it face down. And I want to check my overhang. I'm going to score, let's see, raise you guys up a little bit more. Here we go. And I'm going to score this whole top area. The roof is a little tricky, so we got to be cautious. I'm really lagging on my window scene here, folks. Remember, I had a back step, and I told you guys you should not do this when the house is assembled, but I have kind of no choice because I forgot. Okay. You want to save these squares because we're going to make little, we're going to make shutters in a minute. In a minute. These shutters are a little thick, so I'm going to roll them out. Get my rolling pin. Roll them out, cut them out again, put some texture in here. Never fear, that's our bell. I'm cutting them out again so that they're the size of the windows. And then these get cut in half. They just get cut in half and they're going to be scored on either side of the window like this. Okay, so we'll come back.